Unreal Engine 5 versus Twinmotion. Choosing the right visualization tool can transform how you create immersive 3D environments without sacrificing speed or quality. Both offer powerful features but serve different needs and workflows. Unreal Engine 5 and Twinmotion are leading visualization tools with distinct approaches. Unreal Engine 5 is a high-end, fully programmable game engine, while Twinmotion focuses on fast, intuitive architectural visualization with real-time rendering and ease of use. Unreal Engine 5 is a next-generation game engine developed by Epic Games, designed for creating highly detailed, interactive 3D environments. It works by leveraging advanced technologies like Nanite for virtualized geometry and Lumen for dynamic global illumination, enabling photorealistic visuals and complex lighting. Its strengths lie in its versatility and power, supporting everything from games to architectural visualization and film production. Unreal Engine 5 offers full control through blueprints, visual scripting, or C++ programming, catering to developers and artists who want deep customization. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve and requires more system resources. Ideal users are professionals and studios needing cutting-edge realism, interactive experiences, and flexibility in their projects. While it demands time to master, the results can be unmatched in quality and detail. Twinmotion, developed by Epic Games as well, is a real-time 3D visualization tool tailored for architects and designers seeking fast, high-quality renders. It works by providing an intuitive interface with drag-and-drop assets, easy material editing, and instant environmental adjustments. Twinmotion excels in speed and simplicity, allowing users to create immersive walkthroughs, animations, and VR experiences without extensive technical knowledge. Its strengths include rapid scene setup, seamless integration with popular CAD and BIM software, and a vast library of ready-to-use objects and materials. However, Twinmotion is less flexible than Unreal Engine 5 in terms of custom programming and advanced interactivity. It is ideal for architects, urban planners, and visualization specialists who prioritize quick, visually appealing presentations over deep customization or game-level detail. Comparing Unreal Engine 5 and Twinmotion reveals clear trade-offs. Unreal Engine 5 offers unparalleled visual fidelity and interactivity, perfect for projects requiring complex lighting, physics, or game-like experiences. However, it demands more time to learn and powerful hardware. Twinmotion prioritizes speed and ease of use, enabling architects to produce stunning visualizations quickly, making it ideal for fast project iterations and client presentations. For example, an architectural firm creating quick design previews will benefit from Twinmotion's streamlined workflow, while a studio developing a fully interactive virtual environment will prefer Unreal Engine 5's depth. Choosing between them depends on your project's complexity, timeline, and technical expertise. Unreal Engine 5 is recommended for users seeking top-tier realism and full control over interactive visualizations, especially for complex or game-level projects. Twinmotion is the better choice for professionals needing rapid, high-quality architectural visualizations with minimal learning curve. It delivers impressive results fast, making it perfect for design presentations and quick iterations without sacrificing visual appeal. Choose based on your specific workflow and project demands.